August 18, 2025, 1:27 p.m. Eastern Side, flip the polls. We got USA and Beyond, Part 4, under judgment. Bottom card. Increased transparency. Executive Order 52. Top card. Philippines. Adelicia, Ackland, Tennessee, Plantation. Adelcia. Human bondage. Universal flood accounts around the world. Around the world. Universal flood accounts around the world. Miami, Florida. Washington, D.C. Washington, D.C., capital of U.S., cosmopolitan city. Check under all monuments. The tunnels are everywhere. The White House is dark. Miami, Florida. Latin culture, very demonic. Major port city, soon to be flooded. Victims from all over the plane or planet. The South's most feared warriors. That was probably pertaining to Miami, Florida, and D.C. They're not the most feared anymore. Hurricane in dreams. Hurricane Dennis in the Caribbean. We know we got Hurricane Aaron Foreman or something like that. Virginia, what are you hiding? Austin and Monument Valley. Austin, Texas, University of Texas, 1 million bats at sunset, taller than the U.S. capital of Texas. Monument Valley, Arizona, commercials, magazines, Navajo. Museums, it's a lot. Dominican Republic, Africa Republic, Central African, Bhutan, Bolivia, Belgium,